Welcome to Learning with Maliha. GPT4 is OpenAI's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. GPT4 is a large language model, a neural network trained on massive amounts of data to understand and generate text. It's the successor to GPT 3.5, the model behind ChatGPT. The GPT-4 model introduces a range of enhancements over its predecessors. These include more creativity, more advanced reasoning, stronger performance across multiple languages, the ability to accept visual input, and the capacity to handle significantly more text. Improved capabilities. Among many results highlighted by OpenAI, what immediately stands out is GPT-4's performance on a range of standardized tests. For example, GPT-4 scores among the top 10% in a simulated US bar exam, whereas GPT 3.5 scores in the bottom 10%. This table shows the performance of the model on the range of simulated standardized tests. GPT-4 also outperforms GPT 3.5 on a range of writing, reasoning, and coding tasks. In today's video, we will discuss about uses of GPT-4. Launched few days ago, and people are already doing mind-blowing things with it. Let's see how to use it. GPT-4 is more creative and collaborative than ever before. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks, such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. While we may not yet know the full extent of its capabilities, here are some important things you need to know today. One major change is that ChatGPT4 can use image inputs. Here is an example to understand this concept. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4 can take images as well as text as input. This gives it the ability to describe the humor in unusual images, summarize screenshotted text, and answer exam questions that contain diagrams. You can give images to ChatGPT-4 like charts, memes, and screenshots from academic papers. This GPT's response was so impressive that it left me amazed. The user is asking GPT-4, what is funny about this image? Describe it panel by panel, and look at this response. In this example, the user prompted GPT-4, what is the sum of average daily meat consumption for Georgia and Western Asia? Provide a step-by-step reasoning before providing your answer, and look at the response it gave. From a simple drawing, GPT-4 can produce a fully functional website. Look at this example. GPT-4 turned a handwritten sketch into a functional website. You can now design your full-fledged website by using GPT-4. I am more excited to hear from your side. How are you using GPT-4? With its programming prowess, ChatGPT-4 can code an entire game for you within short interval of time. GPT-4 code an entire game for you. Yes, you heard it right. You just have to give right prompt to GPT. It will do everything for you. ChatGPT-4 can create clear and concise step-by-step social media content, and people are using it as a social media handler. It can construct complex sentences that you may not be able to generate on your own. Even images can become a source of humor with ChatGPT-4's clever responses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Learning with Maliha for more informative videos.